You don't know what you don't know. Things you need to know to get to the next level is the one thing that you don't know, because otherwise you'd be doing it already. And for me, that's why coaching and mentorship is so important, because people can see things in you which you can't see in yourself. For me, what a coach or mentor is, imagine you're in the woods, what can you see around you? Trees, that's all you can see, right? For me, the coach is the guy in the helicopter up there who says, walk straight, 5 meters, left 2 meters, and then you're on the main road. You don't know what you don't know. Your next step, how to get there, you don't know it. But someone else can see that in you, because you can't see that in yourself. How many of you find it easier to solve other people's problems? When you have those problems, it becomes really difficult. Yeah. It's easy, right? When you got that problem, it's crazy. It's like, I can help other people, but why can't I help myself? Because when you're in the box, you can't see the label. When you're in the woods, you can't see the trees. All of the greats had people around them. All of the greats, before they became great, they had people around them, coaches, mentors. They had to. Because you can't see in yourself what you can't see, but someone else can.